Several senators have expressed disappointment over the collapse of the Marcos Duterte unit team following the resignation of Vice President Sara Duterte from the cabinet. Senator Amy Marcos says she was saddened with what happened. However, the presidential sister claims Duterte has suffered enough, which led to her departure. Marcos reiterates her support to the vice president, saying that their friendship will always remain.
Well, nakakalungkot talaga na nabiyak yung unit team. At syempre, ang tinatanong ko, sa lahat ng suntok na kinaya at tiniis ni VP, ngayon pa sila nagtatanong at nagugulat. Sobra naman.
Meanwhile, Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, who is also a known ally of former President Rodrigo Duterte, was disheartened by Duterte's cabinet resignation. But he stresses the need to select Duterte's successor in the Marcos administration's cabinet.
Nakakalungkot na nabasag yung unit team, nakakalungkot din mabawasan ng isang miyembro ng gabinet, but I'm not part of the executive branch. Pareho ko naman tinulungan, pareho ko rin binoto, pareho kong ipinaglaban nung sila po ay lumalaban bilang kandidatong presidente at vice-presidente. Sa mga suporta na kaya ko, nakakalungkot makita na naghiwalay, nag-away at hindi nagkasundo.